How you doing, class? My name is Robert Holmes. So what's my current field placement? Well, I'm not in a current field placement, but my job title right now is Therapeutic Mentor or Adolescent Family Support Specialist, depending on which title, the one I started on or the one they changed it to. And why am I on mute? Anyway, we'll see if this works. My first field placement was in DCF, that's the Department of Child and Family Services, a state department in Massachusetts. And basically, it's tasked with keeping tabs on the welfare of children in the Commonwealth. What do I hope to get out of this course? A lot of my kids come from a background. A lot of the kids that I do therapy mentoring for come from a background of trauma, whether they were removed from the home. I must say that most of them were in foster care. So whether they were removed from the home for abuse or the death of a parent or drug and alcohol related issues in the home. So I'm hoping that this course can give me a little more insight into their trauma and just how to reach them a little better. I don't have too much of a problem with most of my kids, but there are some that I do, and there's one currently that is, well, really bad. Why do I think it's relevant? Because trauma is one of those things that you're going to come across. It's going to be a very prominent, aspect of doing work, especially where I want to go into licensed independent clinical. So, and especially with kids, that's what my goal is to either work with kids or to work with vets to give something back to the military that, after the military gave me so much. Now, name 3 ways you'll take care of yourself. I get this a lot at work too, and that's self-care. And I really don't have many ways of doing that. I don't feel the need for it. And I know that's not right, because I do feel the stress of the work. I do feel a connection to the families, and I do feel troubled when I'm not able to connect with a kid. So, yeah, it's important, but so far I've done what I normally do, and that is, I take my days off. I don't bring it home with me. I don't dwell on it. But I do also have hobbies. I mean, I do a lot of meditation as part of my religious beliefs. So I guess that's one outlet that I have. I do a lot of side writing. So that's another outlet that I have. And I don't know. I guess maybe my video games. I play a lot of socializing video games, so that tends to help as well. So that's me in a nutshell, at least for the prompts here. anyone needs to know more, they know where to find me. So hopefully this class goes well for people, and good luck to all.